Children of all abilities playing together. At Good Samaritan, understanding and acceptance is the #1 priority.
Every class is having a lesson this morning on autism awareness and what autism is and how it can affect children and what we can do to help our children with autism.
Roman is one of 8 students in the dedicated AMAROO autism support class.
And what do you think about the Special Autism Awareness Day?
Good.
Good? Doing some fun activities today?
Yeah.
It's made a world of difference to Roman's confidence and skills, and hopefully he'll soon transition to mainstream classes.
He struggles in English a little bit, but he's keeping up to a Year 2 level in mathematics, and he's doing way better when I was in Year 2 in maths.
The teacher at the heart of AMAROO is NADIA, HUSKA, whose son was diagnosed with autism at 3 years old. She's made it her life mission to share her experience and to help support children living with the condition and their parents.
In our society, there's so many people with autism, and it just develops such a good understanding of what autism is so that others aren't frightened of it and they know that it's just a part of who they are and it's actually their ability, not just a disability.
It's second nature to Raf, but not all kids are familiar with disability. Good Samaritan is so special because children learn to celebrate everyone's abilities.
We all know that people with autism, they're still a person and that you can always still have a conversation with them.
Katie Gallagher, Win News.
Enjoyed this Win News item? Like, tag or share with friends.